Because lithium batteries are classified as dangerous goods, there are specific requirements you must follow when shipping them. Because of this, battery labels are extremely important. They keep people informed on how to handle these packages. The most common battery label is the battery handling label. In order to be compliant, these labels must have a relevant UN identification number, a telephone number for additional information, the battery symbol, and a red border around the label with a minimum width of 5 millimeters. These labels can be pre-printed or partially pre-printed, and this is where you can write in any contact information. The minimum size of this label is 4.3 inches by 4.7 inches. The second battery label we are going to be talking about is the Class 9 hazard label. This just means that the items in the package are dangerous or hazardous, especially to the environment. These labels are diamond-shaped and must include 7 black vertical stripes, which are on the upper half of the label, a white background, and a figure number 9 underlined on the bottom corner of the label. A third battery label is the cargo aircraft only label. These labels are used to warn airlines not to load these packages on a passenger aircraft because they could cause a fire if damaged, overcharged, or unstable. These labels must be bright orange, show a characterization of cargo being loaded onto an aircraft, text saying cargo aircraft only, forbidden in passenger aircraft. They must be rectangular, and the minimum size is 4.3 by 4.7 inches wide. The last battery label is the lithium batteries forbidden for transport. These help meet the Department of Transportation requirements for aircraft travel. The text on these labels can vary slightly, but it should be applied to a package that cannot be transported on any passenger aircraft or vessel. These labels have a white background with bright red text. When shipping these batteries, check with the carrier you are shipping with because each carrier has different labeling requirements. In our description, there are links to UPS, USPS, FedEx, and DHL listing their specific requirements for packaging and shipping batteries. In need of lithium battery labels? You'll be able to find all the battery labels you need at smoothcorona.com.